The Catit Senses 2.0 Super Circuit toy gives indoor cats a fast rolling ball to chase through a partially covered track, tapping into their natural hunting instincts without taking up much floor space. Its modular pieces let you rearrange the circuit into well over 100 different layouts, so the play experience stays fresh instead of becoming predictable. The mix of elevated and flat curve sections adds changes in speed and movement that keep many cats more engaged than with a simple straight track. Assembly is straightforward, with sturdy, snap-together parts that stay put during vigorous play but can be taken apart quickly for storage or reconfiguration. The track and ball are made from material that is free of bisphenol A and smooth enough to hand wash easily, which is reassuring when toys are in constant contact with paws and mouths. It can be used on its own or combined with other Catit Senses pieces and light-up balls to build a larger enrichment setup that stimulates multiple feline senses at once.